We're sort of like a ghost town now here. No movement, no nothing. Yeah, they just told us we weren't to move out of our houses, out of our yards. Each and every one of us that was here.
This is Billy MARONEY's view of the remote community he's called home for decades.
No kids around here. Mr. Bastards now.
For nearly a fortnight, the people of Binjari in the Northern Territory have been kept in by police who've kept everyone else out, except health and welfare workers and the military.
This is the command post over there.
The Defence Force and police provide security, along with groceries, medication and anything else people need.
We thought we'd be forgotten. But for these guys to go out of their way to do something for us is amazing.
For months, Indigenous health experts have been preparing for a lockdown like this, fearing the virus could spread quickly in populations with high levels of existing health conditions.
9 new COVID cases have communities on edge.
Already in its deadly grasp, some of the territory's most vulnerable.
Obviously a serious escalation in the COVID-19 situation in the Northern Territory.
The outbreak now stands at 60 cases and started with an interstate traveller in October who authorities say lied on her border declaration form. She infected a man in Darwin before he took the virus 3 hours drive south to Katherine. COVID then travelled 700 kilometres east to Robinson River before landing in Binjari.
We expected multiple deaths when COVID got to Katherine, yeah.
Peter GAZEY runs the Aboriginal Medical Service in Binjari. The service has been working with the Northern Territory Government on the outbreak response.
We've had routine swabbing done numerous times, which involves the whole community, and maintaining people's distance as the different house groups have come out to be swabbed.
The news from the testing yesterday that all the people that were tested, everybody has a negative result. That's good news.
Peter's team has also been encouraging vaccination, helping to increase first dose rates from about 40% of the eligible population to almost 100%.
There's nothing like a COVID scare to make people increase their vaccination rates.
It was anti-health that suggested that we come up here because the 10-year-old grandson of mine, he was in close contact with the person that was infected. He just only went in and used the toilet, had a mask on, but just to be cautious and things.
Every day. I can't even watch my own programs. I've got to put cartoons on.
Peggy Slater and her 2 grandsons were taken from Binjari to the Howard Springs quarantine camp. Dozens of contacts, along with positive cases, have also been taken to the facility.
And that's just the kitchen.
I can't wait to get home, actually. Yeah, because the kids are feeling it, they're just stuck in the room. Yeah, he's mostly on the bloody cane. I'm sorry to say that.
Peggy and the kids can't go beyond their balcony, except to take out their rubbish and to do washing at the communal laundry.
A bit stressful. I'm on the kids' backs all the time. You don't do this, don't go off the balcony, and you have to stay indoors. And yeah, they're getting a bit frustrated with me. So yeah, I'd rather be safe than sorry.
We understand that that's difficult, but it is the right thing to do. It's allowed us to get on top of this.
The state of housing is so poor and the level of crowding so high that to leave someone who has COVID in their home is to condemn the rest of the household to also get it. And then there's the stuff around vaccine surveillance.
Dr. Jason Agostino works with the peak Indigenous health body known as NACHO and helped develop the plan that's guided this response, including hard lockdowns and removing people from hotspots.
It's great to see that a plan that was led by the community has been implemented successfully, and at the moment we're seeing good results.
2 Territory COVID patients are currently in hospital and there haven't been any deaths during the outbreak.
I don't want to sound at all complacent at this stage, but it's on the face of it, we have got very few cases now, perhaps 1 or 2 that we're mopping up in the next few days.
The Territory Government today, ahead of schedule, announced a slight easing for Binjari, from hard lockdown to just lockdown, allowing people to leave their homes for essential reasons. A result, it says, the community deserves much of the credit for.
We're indebted to them, absolutely. They have been extraordinarily cooperative.
Hats off to the community, they've done really well.
For Billy Maroney, that admiration is mutual.
I can't praise them enough, neither can the other community members here. And yeah, everyone has enough food, fruit, veggies. What more can you ask? Except a bit of freedom. Gotcha.
Hi, I'm Lee Sales. Thanks for watching this story. If you'd like to watch more of 730's stories, they are on the left of your screen. And tap on the button below to subscribe and get the latest from ABC News.